Do you think I miss your songs on Spotify? You are welcome to our Fix and Aim channel. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to mix your songs on Spotify. So right here is the homepage of my Spotify account. The first step you need to take is to click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen, where you can see create. If you click on that like this, you are going to see the option of mixed playlist. If you are not seeing this option, it actually means that you are not using the premium account of Spotify. So you need to subscribe to the premium account in order for you to have this feature. So right here, you're going to see where it says mixed playlist. If you click on that like this, you need to go ahead and add the name you want to give the playlist. Now let's say app fix, and then once you do that, go ahead and click on create like this. So once this is done, you've been able to create a list. So the next step you need to take here is to add some of these recommended songs, or you can actually click on add to this playlist like this and search for more songs on your Spotify and add them to the playlist. So for this tutorial's sake, I'm going to just go ahead and add some of the songs right here. So after adding the songs like this, the next step you need to take, look in here, you can see the mix button right here. So you can go ahead and click on that, and it is actually going to start playing and mixing the songs for you based on the music that you've actually added to the mix. So it's that simple, guys. This is how simple it is to mix songs on Spotify. Now I hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.